Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of the Russian language. If you've ever been curious about how to pronounce those intriguing Russian alphabets, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll confidently master the pronunciation of each letter. But before starting this video, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's get started. The Russian alphabet consists of 33 letters, some familiar, some entirely new to English speakers. But fear not, we'll break it down for you. But, before we dive into pronunciation, let's familiarize ourselves with the Russian alphabet. It may look intimidating at first, but with practice, you'll find it's more approachable than you think. Here's a quick overview of the Russian alphabet alongside their English counterparts. Notice the similarities and differences.
A, B, V, G, D, Е, Й, Ж, З, І, кратке, К, Л, М, Н, А, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, С, Ч, Ш, Щ, твердый знак И, мягкий знак Ю, Я.
Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to practice. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering any language. Use these exercises and resources to hone your skills. Congratulations! You've completed our guide to mastering the Russian alphabet. With dedication and practice, you'll soon be pronouncing Russian words like a native speaker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. Until next time, happy learning!